welcome to another video. I am in Anjuna and this is the Anjuna Flea Market. There's a lot has changed, so that is the one that goes to Curlies, that's parking. This is another parking spot here. If you come down from the Anjuna road, this is a new parking spot, and what you have to pay is for like $100 for parking. And yeah, and that's another spot for parking as well. So stay tuned guys. Again, do like, subscribe. I have recently put my Mambo's and Tito's lane New Year video, so y'all can watch that. That's crazy. And right now I'm heading to the flea market. Anjuna. It happens every Wednesday, and today is the first Wednesday of the year. So let's see what the vibes are like. Is there a crowd? What do you get? You get a lot of souvenirs though. This is another parking spot guys, so stay tuned till the very end of the video. So guys, I'm starting at the Anjuna now, flea market, and there is crowd, there is movement. There's a lot of souvenirs that you get. This is all the brass stuff that you get, and a lot of clothes, souvenirs. You get a lot of bags as well. What are these Kashmiri shawls? Hi. So guys, as you can see, the flea market is not so crowded, but yeah, there's a lot happening. As you can see, there are foreigners coming down to check this place. You get a lot of women wear sandals. So guys, I'm gonna actually head out inside right there. You get a lot of souvenirs. So stay tuned guys, I'm actually heading inside. There's a lot more that is happening. There are a couple of joints that you can sit down and have a good sit down and all. So stay tuned to the very end of the video. So guys, you get lovely bags. I think this is for $150. So let's proceed. So craft hostels is basically the entry for the Anjuna Flea Market. Again, I'm not going to talk much. I'm just going to do less talk and more walk. So guys, stick around and let's see what the vibes are at the flea market. $9 to $5 sterling silver guys. Just want to show you. This is all 9 to 5s. Okay. So guys, if you all need some silver stuff, I think y'all can come take a look. Musical instruments as well. And the vibes are so beautiful here. There's a lot of shops guys. More bags. Those are the ones that you get in Thailand as well, but India mein to sasta hi hai. Again guys, flea markets are only open on the Wednesdays, and this is a pretty old store. You get a lot of psychedelic stuff in. But yeah, flea markets also open on Wednesdays and during the season time. So whenever you'll have time, you're coming down to Goa, do visit the flea market guys. There's a nice jewelry shop if you like jewelry. Bed sheets. Kaise ho? Bed sheets and all that stuff here. Again, a lot of handbags. Souvenirs. You can find a lot of souvenirs this side. Hmm. Again, bags. People want to shop. Anything and everything is probably here. For guys, I think you get these lovely rings, chains, bracelets, probably everything.
Go on. Yes.
Yeah, we like that.
She likes it.
We bought enough things.
We bought more things for you than we bought for me.
So this is a lovely spot, guys. You all can come to. I think if you come during the evenings, it is much better. And you can see this is Pisco by the beach. It's a beautiful sundowner. So y'all can come down here and enjoy your beers or sip on whatever y'all want to. So that's a crazy place. I'll put the link in the description below, guys. And that's what I'm still heading in the market. And you can see, even though Anjuna Flea Market has gone a little short, but they have probably most everything. They do the lovely earrings as well. More bags. So this joint here used to have live music and everything. Right now maybe it's shut, but they do have live music during the season, guys. So this is a place that you want to come down to. But yeah, more of the flea market. There's more stuff and I can hear a lot of music. So let's see what's going on. And then you have people selling shawls, saris. And if you can see, there's like almost everything. So guys, I'm heading actually out of the flea market because what I showed, it's pretty much it. And of course I didn't go down to the beach. I'll go down to the Anjuna Beach later and I'll show you in my upcoming videos. But I'm just going to show you what's... I'm just taking a whole round so that you all can see what Anjuna Market has to offer you. So these Rajasthani stuffs are really cool. And actually that is where I actually entered from. But this is pretty much it. This whole area. You get a lot of spices as well. I mean, a lot of Rajasthani handbags. These look pretty cool. And I think these are cushion covers and everything. And then a lot of souvenirs too. Musical instruments. Again guys, I'm just taking you around. This is probably it. And again, you can come, the best time to come is during the evenings. Before 7 at least. You should be here in Tanya shopping because they start packing up as well. Hey bro, how are you?
And what is something here, man?
Yeah.
A good time for good happy new year.
Same to you, bro. So, yeah. Okay. So, उन लोग सोच रहे कि मैं इंडियन ही नहीं हूँ. But guys, yeah, almost done. I actually again entered from that side. And this is probably just the end of the flea market. And this is actually where I started. So guys, I'll show you more videos coming soon, so stay tuned guys, and do like my other videos, do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for all your support. I will see you in the next video guys. Lots of love, take care. Okay guys, so I am at Anjuna Beach right now. That is Anjuna Beach, this whole stretch, but I'm actually walking that side towards Curlies and Lilliput. That's where the whole good vibes are. So let's go that side and see what is actually happening and what are the vibes like. This is actually Pisco by the beach. What I showed was the back view. This is the front view, right by the ocean. So guys, stay tuned and let's see what's happening in that side of the way, okay?
Overrated, eh?
Excuse me girls, are you all from Goa? So guys, that's where I was, and I came walking down this side, and I'm heading towards one part of Anjuna. Sorry, I just spaced out, yeah. Markasam. So that is like Lilliput. Hey, what is that place that side called? Curlies guys. But Curlies, I don't know whether it's open or no, but Shiva Valley, I think. Shiva Valley. So this is all that area. So let's see what the vibes are there like. Such a beautiful evening guys. And let me check what time it is here right now. It's 5:25 and it looks so beautiful. I think there's even boating that they probably do during the daytime. I mean in the mornings. Oh yeah, he asked about boating. He did ask about boating, this guy. And of course, is that paragliding, right? But I think it's with the motor. I think they charge around 3,500 bucks. They even have it in what is that place? Wagator? Ashwam, Arambol side as well. So it's a nice joint. People are just chilling and having such a good time. I remember this used to be Curlies or something like that. Curlies shut down because, guys, you'll know the reason. But yeah, there's some good vibes. People all having good time. Today is like the 1st of January. And people are just having a good time. If you see. Beach beds. So that is Shiva Valley guys. That's an awesome spot. But I think this used to be Curlies guys. but now they've changed it. I don't see any name here on it, but yeah, good vibes still happening, guys. Good vibes still happening. Oh, it's called Sea Lounge. That's what it says there. But yeah, but if you can see, everyone has their own beach beds and all, chilling, having such a good time. And this is another place. I mean, you can just sit, chill, have such a good time. I mean, it's crazy, yeah. It's just nice. And this is Shiva Valley. It's one of my favorite places, guys. So after this video, I'm just going to chill here for the rest of the day and just have a good time. But yeah, this is probably it. And this is the whole stretch, guys. So I have my flea market that I showed. That's the entire Anjuna layout. I like this part of the side of Anjuna because it's nice and quiet, and that's about it. And this is what you can see, guys. It's crazy. Okay, so guys, signing off. Y'all take care, have a great year. I'll be putting videos every week, so stay tuned, guys, and have a great day, guys. See you until my next video. Take care.